If you use an iPhone, there's a powerful app already installed that lets you track stock market prices, the Stocks app. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. What is Stocks app? The Apple Stocks app is created by Apple Inc. to help users track stock prices, market trends, and financial news in real time. How to open Stocks. App to open the Stocks app. 1. Unlock your iPhone. 2. Find the Stocks app icon. 3. Tap to open it. Understanding the interface. When you open the app, you'll see a list of stocks with their prices and changes. Green means the price is going up, and red means it's going down. How to add stocks. To add a stock. 1. Tap the search bar. 2. Type the company name or symbol. 3. Tap the Add Plus button. View stock details. Tap any stock to see detailed information like price chart, daily, weekly, and yearly performance, market data. Create watch list. You can create a watch list to track your favorite stocks easily. Financial news. Useful tips. Track only important stocks. Check trends regularly. Don't rely only on one source. The Stocks app is a simple and powerful tool to stay updated with the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials.